decisions. Bets are closed. Majority bets for the player this round. 3 for the player, 6 for the bank, extra card for the player. And we have another victory for the bank this round with 6 over 3. Congratulations. Come also 5 winners this round. Enjoyments. So the banker is winning 2 times in a row. Bets closed. Good luck to you. Baccarat for the player, 3 for the bank, extra card for the player, and extra card for the bank. Once again, banker wins next round with 2 over. Baccarat, my compliments. 2 winnings. Well played. Thank you. Last seconds. No more bets. Good luck. 2 for the player and 8 for the bank, while the banker wins the 4th time in a row with a natural lead in this round. Congratulations. Thank you for playing. Any time is open. Last seconds. Betting time's over. Majority bets for the bank. Good luck to you. So it's 5 for the player, Baccarat for the bank, double draw. Once again, bank wins in this round with 7 over. Baccarat, congratulations. My comment sells of 5 winners of this round in dividends. Mr. Bets, please. And so at the moment, banker is winning 5 times in a row. Bets are closed. Just the bets for the bank once again. Good luck to you. So Baccarat for the player, the mixed pair, 6 for the bank, extra card for the player. Events with 8 over 6. Congratulations. Also enjoy paper side bet victories. Thank you for playing. Bets are closed. Adjust the bets for the bank. Good luck. 3 for the player, 7 for the bank, extra card for the player. Bank wins in this round with 7 over 3. Congratulations. Bets are open. No more bets. Good luck to you. 4 for the player, 7 for the bank, extra card for the player. Banker wins with 7 over 4. Congratulations. Come on, start to 5 winners this round. Joining some place in your bets, please. So the banker is winning 2 times in a row and 7 times in the last 8 rounds. 10 seconds. No more bets. Good luck to you. So we have 3 for the player, Baccarat for the bank, double jump. Plays with 4 over 2 in this round. To my compliments. Thank you for playing. Wish all the best in the next round. Make your best decisions. No more bets. Thank you. Good luck. Majority of bets for the bank this round. 2 for the player, 5 for the bank, extra card for the player. And banker wins. And it's done with 5 over 2. My comments also 5 winners. So enjoy. Betting time's over. Good luck to you. 1 for the player, 5 for the bank, extra card for the player. Banker wins with 5 over 2. Congratulations. Thank you very much for playing Bets Open. Hello and welcome to all newcomers. Thank you very much for joining Speed Baccarat table. Let's close. Good luck. 1 for the player, 3 for the bank, extra card for the player, and extra card for the bank. So we have victory for the player with 1 over. Baccarat, my compliments. Thank you for playing. Betting time's open. Closing bets. Good luck to you all. Baccarat for the play, 9 for the bank, so bank wins with a natural 9 in this round. Congratulations. Cover total of 5 winners. This round, enjoy. So the banker is doing 3 times last 4 rounds. Bets are closed. Majority of the bets for the bank luck 2. So it's 1 for the player and 8 for the bank. Another victory for the bank with natural 8 in this round. Congratulations. Enjoy winnings. Place your bets, please. Make our best decisions. Sabbat options are available also. No more bets, thank you. Good luck. Six for the play, 1 for the bank, extra card for the bank, and points with 6 over 1 in this round. Congratulations. 2 innings. Thank you for this round. Last seconds. Feel free to place your side bets as well. Betting time is over, so majority of the bets for the bank. Good luck to you. 5 for the player, 1 for the bank, double draw. Well, it's a tie with 7 in this round. Congratulations. Thank you for playing. Last seconds. Bets are closed. Majority of the bets for the bank. 7 for the player and 6 for the bank. So points with 7 over 6. My compliments. Thank you for playing. To the best of luck in the next round. Bets closed. Good luck to you. It is 3 for the player, 5 for the bank, extra card for the player, and extra card for the bank. Banker wins with 1 over Baccarat. My compliments. 2 winnings. Common sets of 5 winnings of this round. 3 bets, please. And side bets as well. Seconds. Bets are closed. The majority of the bets for the bank. Once again. Good luck to you. So we have 5 for the play, 8 for the bank. Banker wins with a natural 8. Congratulations. Well played.
Of 92, my compliments to you. Betting time is taking good luck in the expert. Thank you very much for your decisions. Bets are closed. Free cards for the multiply in this round. Multiplies are free and it's 2x. Good luck. Card for 7 for the play, 1 is for the bank. Banker receives the additional card. Winning side has changed. Wins the player with a 7 and 3. Congratulations to the winners. Thank you, runners again. Wish you all the best luck in the next one. Betting time is open. Good luck to you. Thank you very much for your decisions. Number of bets. 4 cards with a multiplier in this round. Good luck to you. Lighting card is a card with a breaks multiplier. Will raise 5. Let's continue. And 1 more card with a multiplier here. Let's continue. Will initiative shows on this one 9 for the player. Parent Baccarat is for the back. Player wins with a natural 9 with a breaks multiplier. Enjoy winnings. My special congratulations to the winners with a Sabbath winnings. On the back side, great multipliers here, 27x. Great. So keep us playing. Welcome to placing your bets. Please place your bets, and also you're welcome to try the Sabbath option. Thank you for your decisions. The bets are closed. Let's show the light has 4 lighting cards in this round, and spot is blocked on this one with the highest multiplier. Good luck. Lighting card with the breaks multipliers apart. Let's continue. Lighting card with the 8x multipliers apart. Well, it's 6 for the player. Let's continue. Draw the card for the bank. Bank shows 4 in the hand. And bank receives the additional card. Player wins with a 6 or Baccarat with an 8x multiplier. Congratulations to the winners. Well done. Thank you for playing. Welcome newcomers. Hello. Nice to meet you. Well, there plays new betting time is available. You're welcome to make your new decisions. Good luck to all. Thank you very much for your decisions. Bets are closed. Let's check the collection cards in this one. There are 4 cards and shows 2, 3, 5, and 4x multiply. Good luck. Loading card for the 5x multiplies a bad. It's 1 for the player. Baccarat for the bank, double draw in this case. Bank wins with a 6 or 3. Congratulations to the winners. Well done. Top winners in this one are 1, Ring, and Pink. My compliments to you. The new betting time is that you are welcome to make your decisions. Good luck. Thank you very much for your decisions. The betting time is over. In this one there are 4 cards with a multiplier. So 2, 3, 4, and a 5. That's good luck. In which got shows 8 for the player, Baccarat for the bank. Player wins in this one with a notch of it. My congratulations to the winners. Well done. Thank you for playing. I wish you good luck in the next round. Ladies and gentlemen, the betting time is open. Good luck. On a second. Betting time is over. 4 cards with a multiplier in this round. My compliments. Well, good luck. Card shows that it's 1 8 for the play, per and 6 on the back side. Play wins with a notch set 8 and June main and additional winnings. Great, so I would say the winnings in this round. Thank you for playing. You're welcome to make your decisions. Betting time is available. Take your time. Thank you very much for your decisions. Betting time is over. Well, 2 cards in this round. Turn Queen of Clubs in this round with 8x multiply. Good luck. It's 2 for the player, 6 for the bank, extra card for the play side. Bank wins in this round with a 6 or 2. Nicely done. My congratulations to the winners. Thank you for playing. Bank has 3 victories from the previous game results. Play side is letting. Well, betting time is taken, so a few seconds more will start a new round. Thank you for your decisions. That's a close. 2 cards in this round. Shows ball for the 6 multiply. Good luck. The music cards on this round is the 7 for the player, 9 is on the bank side. Second victory is on the back side. Banker wins for the highest result natural now. Nicely done. My compliments to the winners. Thank you for playing. And I'd like to wish you all the best luck in the next round. Betting time is open. Good luck. Thank you very much. Betting time is over. Ladies and gentlemen, only 1 card in this round shows 4x multiply. Good luck. Initial cost in this round is the Baccarat for play, freeze for the back, extra card for the player, and addition card is for the bank. When exam is changed, wins the player side for the power side. Compliments to the winners. Thank you, Ronnie 7. You're welcome to making your decisions. Betting time is available. On a second. Hello, flip. That's a close. 4 cards in this round. Lightning card shows 2, 4, 3, and a 5x multiplier. Good luck. Lightning card for the 4x multiplier is a pattern. It's the 9 for the player. Please put a 1. Wins the play side with the highest result natural 9 with a 4x multiplier. Well, good catch. Compliments to the winners. Top for the tennis runner, Energy 2, 00002, and Red Moon. My compliments to you. Well, great. We'll keep it up. Welcome to making your decisions. Betting time is open. Thank you very much for your decisions. Bets are closed. 2 cards in this round. Lightning card shows 3 and a 5x multiplier. Good luck. Finish card shows 4 for the plates, 2 for the back. Double draw. Player wins for the forward, so congratulations to the winners. Thank you, round 7. The neighboring time is open. Welcome to making your decisions. It's the third victory in a row in the place up. Plays leading from the 7 victories from the previous 10 rounds. Thank you very much for your decisions. Betting time is 0. Well, they plays 12 cards for the multiplier as well. My compliments. Well, let's begin. 1 for the player, 4 is for the back, extra card for the placer. And the voting side has changed. Bank news for the 4 over 1. Congratulations to the winners. Well done. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. New betting time is open. You're welcome to making your decisions. Good luck. Thank you very much for your decisions. Betting time is over. Well, ladies and gentlemen, 12 cards in this round and 9 cards in this round with the highest multiplier. Good luck. Lightning card for the breaks, multipliers, and plus. Let's continue. The initial card shows in this round Baccarat for the plates, the Baccarat and the bank side, and in this case will be double draw. Lightning card is here. Well, this round ends for the top and Baccarat with a 44x multiplier. Amazing. Congratulations to the winners. Enjoy players. Thank you for playing. Yes, there plays as you see when the game is ending for the tie, all lightning cards are counting. So it's a great chance to receive great payouts, isn't it? Well, thank you very much for your decisions. Betting time is closed. 2 cards to this round. Son of diamonds in this round with an 8x multiplier. Good luck. Card chosen in this round 4 for the player, 8 for the bank. Wins the bank side with a notch at 8. Congratulations to the winners. Thank you for playing. And please, you are welcome to join the next round. No, but it's good luck to you. 7 for the player and 5 for the bank. Additional cards of bank. Player wins 7-5. Congratulations. Such good luck in the next rounds. Betting times and don't forget about time, but please. Thanks for joining. Player wins 3 rounds in a row. Final seconds left. No, but it's good luck to you. 5 for the player and 1 for the bank. Extra cards, double draw, and with a double draw, player wins 9-1. Congratulations. Such good luck in the next rounds. Thank you for playing. Winning times and plays your best inside its stall. Player wins 4 rounds in a row. Final seconds left. Best good luck to you. 5 for the player and 5 for the bank. Additional cards of player and it's toes 5. Congratulations. Such good luck in the next rounds. Hello newcomers. Thank you for joining. Final seconds left. Never bet good luck to you. 5 for the player and the bank plus bank at a double draw. And it's toes 5. Congratulations. Such good luck in the next rounds. Playing times and don't forget about side bets, please. Hello newcomers. Final seconds left. No, but good luck to you. 3 for the Florence, 7 for the bank, additional cards of player, and bank wins 7-1. Congratulations. This is such good luck in the next rounds. Winning times up. Don't forget about side bets, please. Final seconds left. No, but good luck to you.
Press the button 6 for the bank additional card to player and player wins 8 to 6. Congratulations, such best of luck and a perfect pair on bank and fuck up for right side side between our spouse notice 25 to 1. Yes, your bets was inside, but it's still. Final seconds left. Never bets good luck to you. Press the button 3 for the bank additional card to player and bank wins 0 Baccarat. Congratulations, there's such good luck in the next rounds. Putting times up, don't forget those sideways, please. Welcome newcomers. Final seconds left. Never bets good luck to you. Press the player and 8 for the bank ruins 8 Austrian H. Congratulations, there's such good luck in the next rounds. Putting times up, place your bets and don't forget about sideways. Thank you for joining the newcomers. Final seconds. Never bets good luck to you. Press the player and 8 for the bank ruins 8 Austrian H. Congratulations, there's such good luck in the next rounds. Putting times up, place your bets and don't forget about sideways. Welcome newcomers. Bank ruins 3 rounds in a row, last seconds left. Never bets good luck to you. 9 for the parents, 8 for the bank. Player wins 908 in each round. Congratulations, there's such good luck in the next rounds. Bets are open, don't forget about sideways, please. Thank you for joining the newcomers. Final seconds left. Never bets good luck to you. For the player 9 for the bank wins 904 in each round. Congratulations, there's such best of luck. Thank you for playing. Winning times up, place your bets and don't forget about sideways. Final seconds left. Never bets good luck to you. For the parents, time for the bank additional cards to player and bank ruins 704. Congratulations, there's such good luck in the next rounds. Playing times on, place your bets and side bets soon. Thank you for joining the newcomers. Final seconds left. Never bets good luck to you. Time for the parent for the bank additional cards to bank and bank ruins a 907. Congratulations, there's such good luck in the next rounds. Playing times up, place your bets and side bets soon. Thank you for joining the newcomers. Bank ruins 3 rounds in a row. Final seconds left. Never bets good luck to you. Play for the parent, Baccarat for the bank, double throw. Bank ruins 902. Congratulations, there's such all the best. Thank you for playing. Winning times on, place your bets and don't forget about targets. The all newcomers bank ruins 4 rounds in a row. Final seconds left. Now let's good luck to you. Play for the 9 for the bank ruins 907 each. Congratulations, there's such good luck in the next rounds. Winning times up, don't forget about sideways, boys. Thank you for joining the newcomers. Bank ruins 5 rounds in a row, last seconds left. Never bets good luck to you. 1 for the player and 8 for the bank ruins 801 each. Congratulations, there's such all the best. Thank you for playing. 20 times on place for and don't forget about sideways. Welcome newcomers. Thank you for joining. Bank ruins 6 rounds in a row. Final seconds left. Never bets good luck to you. 9 press a player and 7 press a wing. Player wins 907 H strong. Congratulations. This is such all the best. Thank you for playing. Putting hands on, place your bets inside with still. Thank you for joining newcomers. Final seconds left. No, but good luck to you. Strippers applied and papers bank additional cards of player and additional cards to bank. Player wins serial straight. Congratulations, says under such good luck and extra rolls. Putting times on, place your bets inside with soul. Thank you for joining the newcomers. Final seconds left. Never but good luck to you. 9 particular and presuming player wins 9 out of H. Congratulations, such all the best. Have pair combination and thank you so much. Mrs. Side returns bets 1. Putting times up, place your bets in the don't forget about side bets. Player wins 3 round 0. Final seconds left. Now bets good luck to you. Baccarat for the player and for the bank additional cards of player and bank wins for Baccarat. Congratulations. Such good luck in 6 rounds. Putting times up, don't forget about side bets, please. Final seconds left. Now bets good luck to you. First player and for the bank additional cards of player and bank wins for Baccarat. Congratulations, says under such all the best. Thank you for playing. Putting times on, place your bets inside with the soul. Thank you for joining the newcomers. Final seconds left. Never bets good luck to you. Strippers of player and Baccarat to make double turn. Times 2. Congratulations, such all the best. Thank you for playing. Putting times on, place your bets inside with the soul. Final seconds left. Never bets good luck to you. Six for the floor and 9 for the bank wins 906 H. Congratulations, this is under such all the best. Thank you for playing. Winning times up, place your bets and don't forget about side bets. Welcome newcomers. Thank you for joining. Final seconds left. Never bets good luck to you. 4 for the floor and 4 for the bank, additional card to the player and additional card to the bank. 5-6, congratulations, this is all the best. Thank you for playing. Playing times on, place your bets inside with soul. Thanks for joining the newcomers. Final seconds left. Never bets good luck to you. 3 for the player and 9 for the bank wins 903 H. Congratulations, such good luck in the next rounds. Putting times on, place your bets inside with soul. Thanks for joining the newcomers. Final seconds left. Never bets good luck to you. 5 for the player and 2 for the bank, double turn. Player wins 5 Baccarat. Congratulations, such good luck in the next rounds. Putting times on, place your bets and don't forget about side bets. Final seconds left. Never bets good luck to you. 9 for the player and 4 for the bank. Player wins 904 H. Congratulations, says under such good luck in the next rounds. Putting times on, place your bets and don't forget about side bets. Welcome newcomers. Final seconds left. No bets, good luck to you. There's a player into 8 for the bank rings 8 out in each round. Congratulations, says Understage, good luck in the next rounds. Betting time's up, place your bets and move, forgettable side bets. Thanks for joining the newcomers. Final seconds left. No bets, good luck to you. Save for the player into the Baccarat for the bank additional cards at bank and bank wins 8 out 7. Congratulations, says Understage, all the best. Thank you for playing. Betting time's up, place your bets inside bets as well. Thank you for joining the newcomers. Final seconds left. No bets, good luck to you. For the player in the Baccarat for the bank double return. Player wins for a Baccarat. Congratulations, says the net sense side, but there's a pair combinations muffled for spread, so 11 to 1 for pair side bets. Let's throw open, don't forget about side bets, please. Final seconds left.
Place your new bets inside bets, please. Bet sounds open. Thanks everyone for the game. Hello Mango. Ji Jung, join us. Hello, welcome. Bets close, switch Galaxy. Still 6 for the player in Baccarat for the bank, extra for the bank. Player wins 6 over Baccarat. Congratulations to 8 winners and wish more luck next round. Place your new bets inside bets, please. Thanks for game time. Hello Sebastian, welcome back. Bets close, Galaxy. Now it's 5 for the player and C for the bank, double draw. Player wins 3 over 1. Congratulations to all winners and wish more luck next round. Place your new bets inside bets, please. Time. Thanks for game. Let's enjoy the player wins last 2 hands, wish Galaxy. Bets closed. It's 4 for the player and 6 for the bank. It's great for the player. Banker wins 6 over 2. Congratulations and wish more luck next round. Place your new bets inside bets, please. Time. Hello, Kehidro. 1 second. Match close, Galaxy. Still it's Baccarat and Baccarat double draw. Player wins 6 over 2. Congratulations to all winners. Most compliments who wins bank your pair side bets. Let's enjoy constant change stellar. Wish more luck with my Galaxy. Thank you, Galaxy.
Okay, hello, my name is Mia, and I will be the offer next half an hour. I apologize. Budget guys, good luck for everyone. 5 for player, 1 for the bank, double draw. Bank wins 9 over 8. We wish you all the best. Thank you for playing total. 40 winners, no odds, round on YouTube, you have 5 on player sides. Newcomers, welcome. Place your bets, please. Baccarat, good luck to you. 5 for player, 9 for the bank. Banker wins 9 over 5. Neutral pair 9 on banker size and totally 60 winners out of 44 players. Newcomers, welcome. Place your bets and banker wins 5 times in the last round. Baccarat, good luck for everyone. 2 for player, 1 for 2 for the bank, dab draw, and tower 2. My compliments to all winners in total 4 minutes out of 44 players. Newcomers, welcome. Place your bets and don't a chance of side bets because it's a really good opportunity to you. 10 wins 1 times. Now bets go up to you. 2 for players, 7 for the bank, extra cards for player. Banker wins 7 over 2, totally 30 winners out of 46 players, and neutral pair 7 on banker size, totally 30 winners in the last round, and newcomers. Welcome to the Baccarat table, wish you all the best. Baccarat, good luck to you, wish you all the best, thank you for playing. 7 for player, 6 for the bank, Florence 7 over 6. Totally 90 winners out of 43 players, and wish you all the best. And I'll see you in the last round. 5 top winners continue, and my special congratulations to you. Now time to place your bets, please. Baccarat, good luck for everyone, wish you all the best. 5 for player, 5 for the bank, extra card for player. Okay, tower 5, wish you all the best, thank you for playing. Neutral pair 5 on banker side and totally 6 winners out of 51 players. Newcomers, welcome. Baccarat, good luck to you. Baccarat for player, Baccarat for the bank, tap draw. And banker wins 8 or 5 pair side bets on all sides and totally 24 winners in the last round. Newcomers, welcome to the Baccarat table. And banker wins 7 times. Baccarat, good luck to you. Baccarat for player, 7 for the bank, extra card for player. Banker wins 7 over 4, wish you all the best. Neutral pair 7 on banker sides and pair side bets also on player sides. Newcomers, welcome. And banker wins 8 times in the last round. Baccarat, good luck to you. 6 for player, 9 for the bank. Banker wins 9 over 6. Neutral pair 9 on banker sides and 6 on player sides, and wish you all the best. Newcomers, welcome. That's your cards, good luck for everyone. 6 for player, 6 for the bank, down 6. Neutral pair 6 on player sides and totally 4 winners out of 42 players. Newcomers, welcome. Time to place your bets and don't miss a chance of side bets because it's a really good opportunity to you. Carries 3 times. Baccarat, good luck for everyone, wish you all the best. 7 for player, 1 for the bank, extra cards for bank. Player 7 or 1, neutral pair 7 on player sides and totally 30 winners in the last round. Newcomers, welcome to Baccarat table. Place your bets and don't miss a chance of side bets. And player 6 times in the last round. Baccarat, good luck to you, wish all the best. 2 for player, 7 for the bank, extra card for player. Banker wins 7/2. My compliments on banker sides and total is 31 winners in the last round. Newcomers, welcome. Place your bets and don't a chance of side bets, and banker wins 10 times in the last round. Best scores go for everyone. 8 for player, 9 for the bank. Banker wins 9/8. Neutral pair with 9 on banker sides, and total 45 winners in the last round. Newcomers, welcome. Time to place your bets and don't a chance of side bets. And banker wins 10 times in the last round. Best of cards, good luck to you. Wish you all the best. Baccarat for player, 9 for the bank. Banker wins 9 over Baccarat. Neutral pair with 9 on banker sides and total 37 winners in the last round. Newcomers, welcome. Time to place your bets, please. And banker wins 10 times in the last round. Best of cards, good luck to you. 9 for player, 5 for the bank, player wins 9/5. Neutral pair 9 on player sides and 5 on banker sides. Total 46 winners after 69 players. Newcomers, welcome. And player wins 5 times in the last round. And newcomers, welcome to the Baccarat table now. Best cards go for everyone. 2 for player, 8 for the bank. Banker wins 8/2. Neutral pair with 8 on banker sides and totally 54 winners out of 76 players. Baccarat opens. Place your bets. Basic cards go to you. 2 for player, Baccarat for the bank, top draw. And banker wins 9/2. Congratulations, pure side bets on banker side. Total 54 winners out of 79 players. Newcomers, welcome to the Baccarat table. Place your bets and don't a chance of side bets, because it's a really good opportunity to you. Basic cards, good luck for everyone. 2 for player, 2 for the bank, top draw. And top 2. Wish you all the best. Thank you for playing. Total 30 winners out of 94 players. PC, you're in the last round 5 top winners quantity, and my congratulations. Newcomers, welcome. That wins 4 times, and wish you all the best. Thank you for playing. Now it's the final seconds before game. Basic cards, good luck to you. 8 for player, 8 for the bank, 10 with 8. Neutral pair with 8 on banker sides, also on player sides, and total 12 winners in the last round. Newcomers, welcome to the Baccarat table. Place your bets and don't miss a chance of side bets. That wins 5 times in the last round. Newcomers, welcome. Now bets go for everyone. Wish all the best. 8 for player, 1 for the bank. Player wins 8/1. Total 45 winners out of 99 players, and wish you all the best. As you're in the last round 5 top winners quantity, and my compliments to you. Wish you all the best. Thank you for playing. Time to place your bets, and player wins 4 times in the last round. Basic cards go for everyone. Wish you all the best. Thank you for playing. 2 for player, 5 for the bank, and a card for player. Tower 5, my compliments on all sides, and totally 9 winners out of 82 players, and neutral pair 5 on banker sides. My special compliments for last round's 5 top winners quantity, and place your bets, please. And tower wins 5 times in the last round. Basic cards, good luck to you. Wish you all the best. Thank you for playing. Baccarat for player, 2 for the bank, top draw. And banker wins 6 over Baccarat. My compliments on banker sides and pair side bets on player sides. Totally 67 winners out of 92 players. Newcomers, welcome to the back of the table. Place your bets and don't miss a chance of side bets and banker with 9 cards. Better cards go up for everyone. Wish you all the best. 12 for player, backer for the bank, tap, draw, and banker wins 8/6. My compliments on banker sides and perfect word combination also on banker sides and non-neutral pair with 8 also. Newcomers, welcome to the back of the table. And banker wins 10 times in the last round. Better cards go back to you. 6 for player, 8 for the bank. Banker wins 8/6. Neutral pair with 8 on banker sides and total 28 winners out of 77 players, and wish you all the best. And banker wins 12 times in the last round. Newcomers, welcome. Better cards go up for everyone. Baccarat for player, 8 for the bank. Banker wins 8 over Baccarat. Neutral pair with 8 on banker side and totally 80 winners out of 82 players in hard skill. You're in the last round, 5 top winners quantity. Okay, welcome. And banker wins 12 times in the last round. Basic guys, good luck for everyone. Wish you all the best. Thank you for playing. 5 for player, 2 for the bank, tap, draw, and banker wins 8/2. My compliments on banker sides and totally 50 winners out of 75 players. And newcomers, welcome.
Thank you very much. Betting time is closed. Good luck to you. Let's check in which track passing as well. So we got there for the play pair and 6 on a banker. Play your 60 edition card. Banker wins with a 6 or backer. Enjoy winnings. Enjoy Sabbath winnings. And thank you, round is over. Thank you for playing. So 10 rounds are played, and let's check the statistic. At around both sides have been won at the same times. Please pay attention that the last 2 victories belongs to the bank side. Thank you very much for the decisions. Betting time is over. Let's start a new one. Wish you good luck. And in this one, an initial card shows 8 for the play, 7 for the bank. Winning side is changed. Play wins for the notches out 8. Well, good job, son. Enjoy your winnings. Thank you for playing. Betting time is taken. Wish you all the best luck next turn. Thank you very much. Betting time is over. Good luck too. And let's finish the card. Choose this one 8 for the play. It's 3 for the bank. Play wins for the notches at 8. Congratulations to the winners. Well done. Thank you for playing. Good luck to you. Betting time is available. Take your time. Thank you very much. Betting time is over. Let's start a new one. First one is good. Shows 1 for the play, parent 4 is on the bank side, extra card is for the play side, and the banker receives the additional card. Banker wins on this one, but in on average, no natural victory. Enjoy main and additional winnings. Thank you, round 7. Please place in your bets. Ladies and gentlemen, the betting time is taken. Good luck to. Excuse me. That's a quest. First choice one is 1 8 for the play, 2 for the bank. Play wins for the notch at 8. Congratulations to the winners. Well done. Thank you for playing. Wish you the best luck in the next one. The betting time is up and play side is taking the lead. At the moment, the winning captain has the 7 victories from the purse and runs. Thank you very much for your decisions. Number of bets. Let's start a new one. The cast choice one is 1 8 for the play, 6 for the bank. You play the play side wins for the notch at 8. And this round top one is in this round are Yang, Christian, Bing, Cross, and J and Peapod A. Enjoy your winnings. The betting time is available. Take your time. Thank you very much for your decisions. The betting time is closed. Good luck to you. And the top ten is went to 7 for the play, Prime Bank is on the backside, Banker 6 the additional card. Banker wins for the 907. Congratulations to the winners for okay. Thank you for playing. New betting time is up and wish you good luck. Now my bets. Good luck to card first on his front, Baccarat for the play, Forest for the bank, extra card for the place, and addition card is for the bank. Bank events for the forward soon. Thank you, please. Thank you, Rally 7. Robert. I wish you good luck. Feel free to join next round. Time is ticking. Thank you. Bets are closed. Here you go. And this one is that says 9 for the play, 2 for the bank play, wins for the natural 9. The highest result. Enjoy players. Hello, welcome newcomers. Nice to meet you. Feel free to join us beat Baccarat table. The new betting time is up and please join the game. Thank you very much for the students. Betting time is over good. Let's see. The initial bet shows in the front 8 for the play, 8 for the bank, tower 8 in the spend. Compliments to the winners. Nice and done. Thank you for playing. New betting time is up and please join the game. Thank you, Boston Thomas Squares. Good luck to you. Thanks for the Baccarat for the play, 2 for the bank. Dabby for bank events and it's 1 but 904. It's never an ultra victory. Great. Compliments to the winners. Thank you for playing. The betting time is available. I wish you good luck. Welcome newcomers. Nice to meet you. Bank side is trying to take the lead. Please pay attention now. Thank you very much for the decisions done by bets. The top person is round 6 for the play, 7 for the bank. Keep playing bank side and wins in this round with a 7/6. Great. My congratulations to the winners. Thank you for playing.